You can basically decode complex medical terms with a few secret prefixes. It's like a cheat code. For example, dis means difficult or abnormal, so dyspnea is difficult breathing. The opposite is eu, which means good, so eupnea is just good normal breathing. If you see a dash at the beginning of a word, it means without. That's why anemia literally means lacking blood. And the prefix necro means death, so necrosis is the death of body tissue. It's not just random letters, it's a whole language hidden in plain sight. Medical terms are just a secret code made of body parts. Once you know the key, it all clicks. Cardi means heart, so cardiology is the study of the heart. Derm means skin, so a dermatologist is your skin doctor. Gaster means stomach, and rhin means nose, which is why a nose job is a rhinoplasty. It's like a simple puzzle. Hepat is liver, nepher is kidney, and osteo is bone. Suddenly, those long, intimidating words aren't so scary. You're not just listening to jargon, you're finally understanding the language of your own body. Your body is speaking in a secret code of colors and shapes. Seriously, medical terms are just build a word. See erythrocyte? Erythro means red, so it's a red blood cell. Leukocyte? Leuko means white, for a white blood cell. If your skin turns blue, that's cyanosis, because cyano means blue. It's not just colors. Scoliosis? Scolio means twisted. Kyphosis? Kypho means humped. Even cryotherapy is just cryo for cold plus therapy. Once you know the prefixes, you can basically decode your own health. It's like having a medical superpower. Medical terms are just a secret code, and I'm giving you the key. These words are like GPS for your body. Intra means inside, so intracellular is inside a cell. But inter means between, like the space between cells. Sub means under, so a subcutaneous layer is right under your skin. Supra means above. Retro means behind. Think about muscles. An abductor pulls your leg away from your body because ab means away from. An adductor pulls it back towards the middle because ad means towards. You're not just learning words, you're learning to read the body's map. Your body uses secret codes to describe itself, and it's all about quantity. Hyper means excessive, like hypertension, which is high blood pressure. The opposite is hypo, meaning deficient, like low blood pressure. Tachy means fast, like tachycardia, a rapid heartbeat. The opposite? Brady, for slow. Even your muscles use this code. Biceps for 2, triceps for 3, and quadriceps for 4. It's not just random letters, it's a language. Now, you know how to speak a little bit of medical and can decode what your body is saying.
Want to learn more about OET and medical English? Like and subscribe to MedGenius.